Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2021 NISSAN QASHQAI Smart Key.
Add a smart key to this car. What we need to be prepared for is K518 Pro. OBD communication cable, the original car key, and a new smart key produced by Lonsdor. Now, plug in the OBD communication cable. The first step is to choose smart key generation. NISSAN QASHQAI. Select the second menu. Put the new smart key into the card slot. Click Generation. Generation successfully. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Find NISSAN. From Vehicle, Asia. Find QASHQAI. Select J11. Smart Key. Program Smart Key. Turn on the emergency lights and turn off the ignition switch. Click OK. Attention, all smart keys will be deleted. Click OK. Follow the prompts until the security flashes 5 times. Click OK. Press the start button to turn off the ignition switch. Click OK. Programming completed. Program next one. Click OK. Another key also operate in the same way. Click OK. Press the start button to turn off the ignition switch. Click OK. Programming completed. Program next one. No need to click cancel. Please press car start button. Put the logo end of the first smart key on the button until the dashboard makes sound. Click OK when done. Press the start button to turn off the ignition switch. Click OK. Press the start button. See if it can drive normally. Started successfully. Click OK. Programming complete. OK. Now let's see if the key works. First key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The first key was successfully started. Second key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The second key started successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. The first key locks the car. Unlock. The second key lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2021 NISSAN QASHQAI. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.